The whole process is really simple. Mix your BT according to the directions on the bottle. It's usually just mixing the BT with water, and you do that inside of your jar. Next, you're just gonna go and inject your plants. This is the damage you're typically looking for to be able to diagnose spores before they kill your plants. If you see this and you open up the vine, you will see borers. You do not have to open up the vine. I did in this video just so you can see the borer in action. This little tool that I'm using, I've been using that to put holes into the vine and then I inject them. I learned this trick from someone else. It was a smart suggestion. You don't have to deal with any more clogged needles if you do it this way. If you do not have a tool to do this with, or even a nail, you can still just inject the vines with your needle. But this will save you on the needle getting clogged, which is incredibly annoying. The way that these borers kill your squash plant is that they eat the internal tissues of the squash vine, all of the important vascular tissue. They cut the plant off from the root system, keeping it from absorbing nutrients and water,